Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use dryer or how to dry your clothes in a dryer. So the first video I make, it was about how to use washer, and this next video is how to use dryer. So I already got my clothes in the washer right here. I'm just going to be taking it out. Yeah, it's ready. I'm going to be taking my clothes out from the washer. Yeah, and then I'm going to be putting it in a dryer. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how the dryer look like. This is the dryer right here. Yeah, this dryer have been with me for a little while, for over 3 years. Yeah, I bought it when it was brand new. Yeah, it have served me for a long time. So I just thought it wise to share with you guys how to dry clothes in dryer or how to use dryer. So I'm just going to be putting the clothes in the dryer and show you guys the functions on the dryer. So I have my clothes in a dryer right here. Yes, I have my clothes in a dryer right here. So this is the dryer door right here. I'm just going to be closing this door like this. Yes, after closing the door, because the only way this dryer going to start if the door is closed. The moment you open this door, it's going to be like it's going to stop. So I hope you guys see. For right here, this is the power button right here. I'm going to press the power button. Yeah, so when you press the power button, it's going to be on. So now you're going to be choosing which one you want to use today. Like out of my stuff, I usually use like normal. Yeah, let's see how many minutes normal got. So they got 23 minutes. They have 20 minutes. 35. They have 30 minutes. They have 35 minutes. And they have 40 minutes. So normal is 40 minutes. Yeah. You want to get 60 minutes. You want to go to heavy 50 minutes. Yeah, just like that. So and the minutes go on like that. 25, 35. So I'm using normal today. Right here is this normal is 40 minutes. So right now I got 40 minutes and I like my clothes to be to press. So I just got this right here. What you see this green light right here. Yes, so I want when my clothes dry, it should also be pressed. I don't have special time to press out of these clothes. So you got a power button right here. It's already on. You select what you want to use. It's on normal. And then the next button you're gonna hit is gonna be start. Okay? Yeah. So I'm just, you see the light are blinking over there? It's start button. So I'm just gonna be touching the start button, okay? So press the start right over there. And now it's working. So just in case you want to put it off, you're going to go back to the power button right over there. Press the power button, it's going to go off. So the power button is to turn it on and off. So if you want to put it back on, press the power button and then just hit start, okay? I just press the power button, it's off. Put it back on. It's already on normal, 40 minutes. Then I'm just going to hit start to continue the process. So guys, if you are just joining me for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to put a link down in the comment section below about how to wash your clothes in a washer, okay? Or how to use washer. Okay, so there's other videos about how to use dryer. So I'm going to make a whole video about how to use a washer and dryer together. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Invite other people to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. I love you so much. Mwah. So just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this. Do you think this machine is easy? Yeah, I forgot to show you the dryer sheet. Yeah, I have a sheet like I usually put in my dryer when I'm using it to dry my clothes. It make my clothes smells really, really good. Yeah, it make it smells good. Yeah. So you want to know the soap I use in my in my washing machine, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to drop the name down. So guys, support me now. I'm a new content creator. My goal for this year is 1,000 subscribers. I know by your help I can reach my goal. So thank you so much for your support. So I'm just going to start it. The power is already on. I'm just going to hit the start button and then boom. There we go. So I have, this is my basement right here. I have my washing machine and my drying machine in my basement right here. So I got a washer and a dryer. I do my laundry right in my basement. I'm a lazy person. I don't like to go out when I stay home. I only go out when it is necessary. So when I'm staying home doing my laundry, I can also use this time to do cooking, to do cleaning up and other stuff. While doing laundry, I can also be cleaning up, cooking, and doing other stuff. Yeah, instead of going out, it takes all your time. So guys, if you're thinking about getting with army machine, this is the best machine to get, okay? It's a set. The best machine to get. I bought it with a set. It was brand new. So love you so much.